Hey, what's going on to all my mature men, OGs, and beautiful sisters? I am in Sitka, Alaska today. Was here last week with Virgin Cruise Line. This week I'm back on NCL, and this place I'm going to put some pictures up of the Russian Bishop House. It's where it was an orphanage at one point. Didn't realize that Alaska didn't even come into the United States or into the Union until almost 1954, 55, I believe. I'll put the timeline in, so watch to the end to see if you can figure out when Alaska came into United States. I know I was not quite here yet. They were thinking about me, but I wasn't quite here yet. I'm not that old. So enjoy Russian Bishop House photos. Have a great day. World Wide West, how you living? Hey, I have to ask this question. Uh, why did it take Alaska so long to become a state? We purchased it from Russia well over 100 years before it became a state. What was going on with that? So, uh, uh, for my history buffs, somebody can do some research. I'm just asking the question. You purchased this, well more than 100 years, and you don't get statehood until like 1957, 58, I guess, 59, somewhere up in there. What took so long before Alaska became a state? Somebody let me know in the comments.